Looking for the best all-terrain tires in 2025? Whether you're conquering rugged trails, tackling off-road adventures, or just cruising on highways, the right tires can make all the difference. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best all-terrain tires of 2025, featuring tires that offer unmatched durability, traction, and performance across any surface. Stick around till the end to discover the perfect tire for your vehicle and your next adventure. Let's dive in. At number 5, we have the FALKEN Wildpeak A/T3W, a tire that truly delivers a balance of off-road capability and on-road comfort. This all-terrain tire is designed for those who need a versatile solution that can handle everything from muddy trails to dry highways with ease. Whether you're a weekend adventurer or a daily driver, the Wildpeak A/T3W will get the job done. What makes the Wildpeak A/T3W stand out is its rugged, aggressive tread design, which ensures excellent traction on various terrains, including snow, dirt, and gravel. Its 3D Canyon Sight technology helps provide increased winter performance and enhanced traction while driving in harsh conditions. Additionally, the heat diffuser technology in the lower sidewall prevents excessive heat buildup, improving overall durability and performance during long drives. This tire is built for year-round use, offering strong traction in wet conditions and a quiet, smooth ride on highways. If you need a tire that can handle tough off-roading while maintaining comfort on the road, the FALKEN Wildpeak A/T3W is a solid choice. Kicking off our list at number 4 is the Toyo Tires Open Country A/T3, a robust all-terrain tire built for both on-road comfort and off-road durability. Whether you're navigating highways or rugged trails, the Open Country A/T3 delivers outstanding performance across a wide variety of terrains, making it a favorite among truck and SUV owners. Designed with an optimized tread pattern, this tire excels in both wet and dry conditions, ensuring superior traction and stability. The reinforced tread blocks help provide a smoother ride on highways, while the deep voids and aggressive design offer impressive grip on loose and rocky surfaces. This tire truly shines when the going gets tough. The LT295/60 R20 size and 10-ply construction make it an excellent choice for those who need a tire that can handle heavy-duty loads. Whether you're hauling equipment, towing, or taking your vehicle off the beaten path, the Toyo Open Country A/T3 ensures reliability and strength. If you're looking for a tire that strikes the perfect balance between comfort and rugged capability, this is a top contender. Taking the third spot is the NITTO Grappler All-Season Radial Tire, a tire designed for those who want the ultimate combination of off-road durability and on-road comfort. With a unique design that blends the best features of mud terrain and all-terrain tires, this tire provides exceptional versatility across various driving conditions. The Ridge Grappler is known for its aggressive tread pattern, which allows it to dig deep into loose surfaces, such as sand, mud, and snow, giving you confidence in off-road environments. Meanwhile, the tire's optimized shoulder grooves offer a smoother, quieter ride when you're on paved roads, making it ideal for those who split their time between rugged trails and city streets. This tire is also engineered with a special sidewall designed for extra durability, providing added protection against cuts, punctures, and abrasions while off-roading. Additionally, the all-season capability ensures reliable performance in both dry and wet conditions, along with snow handling for those colder months. Securing the second spot on our list is the Goodyear WRANGLER Duratrac, a tire built to conquer both the toughest trails and city streets with ease. With its rugged design and advanced technology, the WRANGLER Duratrac is designed for drivers who demand high performance no matter where they go. The Duratrac features a unique tractive groove technology that provides excellent traction on snow, mud, and wet surfaces, making it an ideal choice for all-terrain adventures. Its self-cleaning tread pattern ensures that mud, snow, and rocks are quickly cleared, allowing for maximum grip even in challenging off-road conditions. Designed with durability in mind, the Goodyear WRANGLER Duratrac boasts reinforced sidewalls, providing extra protection against cuts, punctures, and damage from off-road hazards. Whether you're driving through rugged landscapes or navigating slick urban roads, this tire delivers a smooth, stable ride. For off-road enthusiasts seeking reliable performance, off-the-beaten-path versatility, and year-round traction, the Goodyear Wrangler Duratrac remains a top choice. Stay tuned as we reveal our number 1 pick. Taking the top spot on our list is the BFGoodrich All-Terrain T KO3, a tire that perfectly balances durability, performance, and versatility. Whether you're tackling rocky trails, muddy paths, or highway roads, the KO3 is engineered to provide unmatched traction and handling across all terrains. What sets the KO3 apart is its advanced tread design, which features a mix of large, aggressive lugs and reinforced sidewalls. This design allows the tire to excel in off-road conditions while still offering a smooth, quiet ride on paved surfaces. The All-Terrain T KO3 also comes with 3D sipes for added grip in wet and icy conditions, making it a fantastic year-round performer, with a focus on durability. This tire is built to withstand tough conditions, ensuring longevity and fewer replacements over time. Its CoreGuard technology protects against cuts, chips, and punctures, providing peace of mind on rugged terrain. For drivers seeking the perfect all-around tire for their light trucks, SUVs, and crossovers, the BFGoodrich All-Terrain T KO3 is the ultimate choice, delivering top-tier performance and exceptional value. That wraps up our countdown of the top 5 best all-terrain tires of 2025. I hope you found the perfect tire for your next adventure. Don't forget to check the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for more reviews. Thanks for watching.